Slides 86 through 91. Okay, so for this one, it says we're going to be using data analysis and business intelligence tools. A lot of what we're going to be doing right now is going to be consolidating data. We have done this some in the regular course, but not a ton, okay? So where we're like condensing information to make it more digestible. Okay, so it says we're going to open up the consolidate file and we're going to save it as the solution. Oh, the watch window from the last one we don't need. You can close that. Okay. It says take a look at each quarterly worksheet. So we have all of these down here. Okay. It's really hard to compare when you're like trying to flip back and forth. So we want to consolidate all that information over here. Okay. It says that sometimes like flipping through these, it runs through row 11. Sometimes it runs down row 12. Sometimes our totals are in H, sometimes in G, sometimes in F. Due to these differences in our layout from one quarter to the next, we cannot consolidate the data based on position. Okay. Because our stuff is like moving too much. Okay, so we can't do it based on position. So we have to use a different tool. So we're going to go to this final tab here and select B5. This one right here. And on the data tab, we're going to go to the data tools group over here and we're going to click on the consolidate button. And I don't, oh, right there. I was going to say, I don't recall which one this actually looks like. Okay, so we want it to sum. And in the reference box, what do we want it to reference? I'm going to click this. And then we're going to go to the first sheet. So you're going to see some information pop up because we're in the first sheet. Then we're going to go to F3. Wait, F3. Oh, press the F3 key. And press OK. Click the expand dialog button on the right end of the reference. Oh, we did that. Okay. Click add. Oh. Click add. And now it says click the reference control again and then press F2. Hold on. I'm working on a laptop, like I assume many of you are, and I'm not able to press the key that I want to, so give me a second. Okay, so it just wants you to get back into here, like into editing it. I just have to keep opening it for the way that mine is showing up. And then I want to do quarter 4. All right, select the checkbox is for top row, for left column. the consolidated dialog box should look as shown. Okay, so I'm on slide 90 right now, and this is what we should see. Press OK. Okay, so it should pull the headings, and it should pull all of this information, as well as it should sum all of the totals. So it shouldn't look in a particular like spot for it. It should recognize what the titles are and put it in based on that. Like if this and this matches, then it'll sum. Okay, save. With the console data final worksheet active, click the Home tab and click the Format as a Table button. And it wants us to do light blue, table style light 2. That first one right there. If you don't have that one for whatever reason, that's fine. Just pick a different one that's bluish. Confirm that the range is B5 through H12. My table has headers, and press OK. Oh, what did mine pull? Gadgets, gizmos. Mine didn't pull doohickeys or widgets for some reason. South, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, North Carolina. Oh, and it didn't pull Georgia. Oh, I think it's because I couldn't get the F2. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to my data and then consolidate. I'm going to try this again. I'm going to come over here and press F3. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to pause the tape and go back and redo this, making sure that I get everything. Okay, now I got it. For whatever reason, when I put these in, it didn't take it correctly, so now we're good. I just went back and did them one at a time by hand. So we're going to format it as a table, this one right here. Now it's B5 through H12. My table has headers. So the only thing that mine did not pull is the territory or state, like this column 1 heading. Oh, never mind. That's step number 17. It says on the Table Tools Design tab, click the Filter button checkbox. Okay, like we're going to turn off the filters. And right here, we're going to type in territory or state. And now it should look just like this. Save it, and you're good to go.